Okay, I'm going to change this classroom function lock on the office door so the teachers will put a digital lock on like we did before. Get it going there. We're going to put digital lock on. This is the one a few videos ago that I showed you how to program on the bench in the shop. But it's already ready to go. I just need to remove this lock that's on there now, drill 3 through bolts, and mount this digital lock on the outside, and it should be good. Okay, so let me get cracking on this. Start removing the lock. Now, I did notice that the door right next door has a sagging handle, so I'll address that too. I'll probably use this lock here to go over there. This lock is rather new. Take the cylinder out. So, to remove the cylinder, I turn the key 90 degrees. It can go, can't go 90 degrees that way, but it could go either up or down. Put a poke tool in there, remove the handle, got a retaining clip in there so we don't lose anything. I removed the cylinder that was in there. I'll use the cylinder from the other door. To go in this lock once I swap it. Cover plate off. Oh, I think by the looks of the handle on this digital lock, it's probably a Marks handle. Do I remember it correctly, or is that the bathroom ones? No, not the bathroom ones that use a Marks handle. Yeah, the privacy function one, so gotta change the latch. Okay. Let me get the templates out and we'll start setting up the rekey. I mean, to prep the door for the new lock. Okay, well, that spring pack's worn out. Let me replace the lock with the one I just took off and put the digital lock on. Yeah, about a 5-minute job. Okay, so I use the template, mark my 3 holes, drilled 3 holes through the door, these 3 holes. I'm going to use my unit bit. I drilled through the door, so do this side, turn around, close the door. Okay. Okay, so those 3 are done. Gonna do the exterior holes. Unibits. Man, I see I'm hitting the reinforcement plate over on that side. That's probably big enough. I can do this. Nope, had the 3 holes in. Yeah, let me get the lock ready to go. Okay, so remember I put all my parts in the Ziploc. So I got the cylinder I'm going to put in it. Key to the office. Got the gasket. Probably doesn't need it, but I'll put it in anyway. I got the tool to align the cam on the inside. Have the cylinder that came with it, which we won't be using. I got my through bolts, 3 through bolts, came with an Allen wrench. Got the little spacers that go in here on the inside trim. Got one here on the inside trim. Fills in so the plate doesn't crush. 3 of those. So, got some more screws here. Not quite sure where those go. Maybe it has something. No, I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know what those screws are for. Unless these are, I guess you can use these on the outside trim. I want to put the security ones on with the Allen wrenches. I don't want people messing with them. Okay, well. Gasket goes on first, kind of like that. Then, now if you turn that around for the other hand, which I need to do, I need to turn this the other way. Why? This is going to go on like that. This needs to be on that side. No. Take a Felipe. Felipe. Okay. Going to. Hey there. Wait a second. That should go like that. If you notice, you got these little detents there and detents there. So those two go together. go together. And this these need to go vertically. With the retractor jaws there. Maybe. Maybe I need to go this way. Oh, and then there's detents. Little. That go into those detents on that spacer ring. What? That's the most difficult thing so far I've had to do. Boy, I need another hand. Got it. Oh, do I? Oh, no. Looks like it. Okay, Felipe, where'd you go? Where'd you go, Felipe? Oh, well. Felipe. ¿Dónde está Felipe? There you are, Felipe. Get them on pretty tight. You don't want to be taking it off all the time. You just tighten it up. Okay. Gasket's on. This is facing where the latch goes. Now we can proceed. Okay. Hey, that's on. So, shove the door up against the wall a little bit. Now, Easy fix. Take the spring, take it off. So it was there. Put it on the other side. Okay, so that's the return spring for the handle. There's one in there too. Now, these there. Let's drill these holes a little bigger so that that part will go in the holes. Hey, that's it. Okay. Yeah. They gave you the Allen wrench. Okay, so I put it together. If you can see, I probably need to remove one of those spacers on the outside because the dead latch, the latch itself, is going to be hitting the body and it wasn't going back all the way. So let me take care of that and I'll get back to you. Okay, after further review, I had to actually add another spacer plate in there so that the latch would go into the body farther. Okay, let's start putting it back together. Oops.
Is it okay if I step out real quick?
Yeah. Now I can put this back together. Okay. Now it's binding. Let me loosen this up, put a shim behind it or something. See what makes it work. I'm going to use my 16-in-1. Now, I could take this, and I'm going to do that. Chuck it into my drill. Turn the tension way down. Okay. Okay, well, that's done. Okay, we're gonna put the cylinder in here now. Handle comes off, but only when there's a little cam in here. You gotta turn it so it's up, and then the retention clip will move. If it's in the other position with the cylinders in it, it won't. Here comes somebody out the door. Hold on. So you turn the cam in there until your clip moves, then you can pull the handle on or off. Pretty sure it's always clockwise on that. Now the cylinder goes in this handle. Oops. I gotta change the tailpiece, I think. Or not. Huh. Oh, yes. I gotta put this in. No. Remember, key out when you take the cap off the back. Push the pin in. Unthread it. Take the old tailpiece, don't need it anymore. This tail cap, tailpiece, goes like that. There's only one position it can go in because it's only got one notch for it. And put the cap back on. Get it kind of started. Take your poke tool, push the pin in, thread it back on. All the way down, back it off a notch or two. Try your key. Make sure it turns, comes out. See, key goes in, she turns, she come out easily. Now, put it in the handle. Make sure it goes all the way in. Now this has this odd plastic little cylinder holder, which it's got a little set screw in. I don't know if you can see it. But instead of threading it in to hit the cylinder, you back it out with the Allen wrench. The Allen wrench, you back it out so that it holds that plastic piece in there. Kind of works opposite of everything I've ever worked on. Okay. So now, this only goes on one way. With that cam turned all the way clockwise. Oh. And when it's clockwise, the key will be vertical. Now in this hand, you're going to turn it down. If it was the other hand, handed the other way, you turn it up. We want it to go down because it only turns 90 degrees. So it's going to go from this position, with no key in it, to there. I think I'm going to put the cover plate. It comes with a cover plate. I'm going to put it on there so they don't go sticking their keys in there and breaking things off. There's another door around the other side. They can make them use the code. So remember, this is turned counterclockwise. It's only going to turn, counterclockwise. It's only going to turn counterclockwise 90 degrees. So put the key in, put it in there. Slide the lock on. There. Now, when the battery goes dead or we had a problem, they can put their key in, turn it till it stops, and we'll open the door. And as long as they don't take a poke tool and stick it on the bottom, the handle stays on. So since, let's mess with them. Not really. Let's just prevent the teachers from putting their keys in there, make them use the combination. So, Dormacaba. It just clips right in there. There we go. Now, if the lock goes bad, there's other entrance into the office. Not a big deal. Or we can just try this out and use our key. Now let's give it a try. Now I set it for 10 seconds. If you saw my video of me programming this on the bench, after 10 seconds, I'd like to hear the little it stops. Let's try it again. Mic turn screen. In 10 seconds, you'll hear it go You hear that? Now, if you hit a wrong number, red light goes on. I'm not sure if you hit one of these buttons or just wait a few seconds, it'll time out. Oh, too many buttons. That one? No, not that one. This one? Oh no. Let's give it a few seconds, it'll go pink. She stopped working. Okay, another job well done. Okay, next exercise. Spring pack's a little tired here, so let's replace the lock, or at minimum the spring pack. As per the usual, we need that cylinder to put in the new lock. Uh-oh. This is an office function lock. Got to be a push button. Doesn't matter, I'm going to change the tailpiece, but classroom function lock on there. Wonder if a little bit of oil would help. I guess what I could do is just change this spring cage. An older lock. It had one of the plastic nylon. Yep. Old school lock. They used to lose these nylon rings in there to adjust the lock. I'm just going to put the classroom function lock on. Not a big deal. Okay. That latch moves around quite a bit. Let's put a new latch in too. That's special. Okay. I have a question for all my locksmiths in the real world. What would you charge to Just swap the slots out. I don't know. I don't know why I haven't sent anybody a bill in 35 years. I have no idea what billing was. So. Need to change the tailpiece. That's the storeroom office function tailpiece. Let's put the classroom function on there. This had several of them. I dumped into my sack of stuff here. Wait. Found it. Okay. You know the routine on these, right? Oh, jeez. Okay, so key out of it. Put in the pin. Unthread it. Oh. Unthread it. Put the proper tailpiece back in the cap. Oops. Don't go there. Don't go there. I'll get back to you. You can use the tailpiece and push down on this ring and the pin. And remember, it's got to be lined up with the, they call it the Bible. So you spin around. Now, school keys. Turns, comes out. Handles here. Felipe. Counterclockwise. There we go. And remember, he goes in, turn a little bit counterclockwise. Start putting it on. Done. And the handle. Much better. Good enough for who it's for.